Alexa, open Burke Hill penthouse condo.
Welcome to the open house at 4276 South Main Street. What a stunning penthouse condo. And that view. The 15-foot high ceilings certainly don't suck. Nor does the hydronic radiant heating and central air, which make this condo very energy efficient. Would you like to hear about the HOA and what is included?
Yes, I would.
The HOA is $240 per month. That includes Utopia fiber optic internet, water, sewer, garbage, common area maintenance, snow removal, security of the building and the parking lot. It also includes the exercise room on the second floor, the owner's lounge area with a kitchen that's also on the second floor, and then a bicycle storage room on the main floor. Small pets are permitted. If you have any other questions, just go ahead and ask me. My name is Dustin Brohm, the listing agent doing this open house.
This penthouse condo is priced at $265,000, and as you could probably imagine, won't stick around very long. I guess now, the only question is how much to offer. Have a great rest of your day.
Thanks. Not bad. I'll tell you what, this was such a hit today. People just like using Alexa whenever, dang it, she heard me. They just like using it, especially something like this, even though it may be kind of gimmicky. It's a showstopper, it's an attention getter.